Hey y'all, what's up? So by the title of the video, y'all already know what I'm doing here. I'm actually going to be blocking the nosy neighbors from looking into my window when approaching my doorstep. We all know we're never alone. Somebody is always watching, even when they're ringing your doorbell and peeping through your window, peeping through the glass doors. I get that all the time. So I actually got this from Walmart. I paid about 20 something dollars for it, so I feel like I'm gonna give it a try. All it is just you wet it and cut out the dimensions and basically, smooth it out on your window. So I feel like, hey, I mean, it don't look bad, and I really wanted something different for as like the actual tent where I can see in. I mean, I can see outside, but nobody can see in. So we just gonna give this a shot. I apologize about the lightning, but that's the best that I can do and get for y'all guys due to I do have myself on the tripod with the ring light, but it's the light reflecting in from outside is just making it look blind. So yeah, okay, here goes the lightning getting better. So yeah, let me move y'all a little closer so y'all can see what's going on. Y'all see, like, I be feeling like my neighbors across the street be watching me, like, bitch, I be walking around my house naked, so I don't need nobody watching my little cheeks or whatever. But let me tell y'all, it's not the perfect square that I cut, but it's you don't have to get it perfect, too perfect if you were planning on using it, because it's really easy. It's a real easy install. Like, baby, I thought I was doing something, but y'all know I'm always handy and doing stuff like, peeling stick, peel, spray water, spilling, ugh, whatever. But yeah, I'm always finding stuff to do, and y'all know I'm in the middle of getting my house together. I shot this video a few months ago, and I'm just now editing it and posting it, so bear with me because I have a whole lot of footage that I need to edit and upload, and so I'm gonna be trying to upload and drop videos this whole week. I'm gonna try, don't hold me on it. But yeah, y'all, as y'all see what I'm doing, this shit is very easy. It's so easy, and it don't look bad. It really blends in with the window in the door. Like, y'all gonna see when it's finished. So, make sure y'all have like a little spatula tool, and just smooth the bubbles out. That's it. Just to get all the, just to get it nice and flat and no bubbles. Like, it really mimics tint. But I think that's how you apply tint too, if I'm not mistaken. But this is real easy. You just getting the smoothing out, just getting the bubbles out. Like, I could tint my car if I want to. This shit is really easy. I didn't think it was gonna be this easy. But it looks really good once y'all see the finished look of it. But let me tell y'all, I really think I'm a real man. Like, I really be trying to do everything on my own. Like, or not if that, I'm gonna try to learn to do it. If I don't know how to do it, trust me, I'm gonna learn it. I'm gonna do it. That way I don't have to ask nobody to do shit for me. Because I'm not the type. I don't like to ask people to do nothing for me. I'd rather do it myself. I'd rather learn it and do it myself. That way I can do it on my own time when I get ready, and I don't have to wait on nobody to do it because, you know how that shit go. Y'all know how that shit go. But yeah, let me show y'all how it came out. Okay, so this is how the first block look. As y'all can see, no nosy neighbors cause peep in no more ringing my motherfucking doorbell. Like, I could be trying to duck anybody and they could see straight through my house. But yeah, y'all see, look at the difference. Can't see shit. Look at the other side, bitch. You can see straight through my house. I don't like that. I'm gonna think about doing a back door, but nobody don't have the reason to go to my damn back door. If you go into my back door, you gonna get shot. What the hell you gonna knock on my back door for? But anyways, I'm gonna finish this up. I actually love how it looks, to be honest. I'm really excited about it. So, yeah, if y'all have glass doors or anything like that, trust me, this will give you as much privacy as you want. And you actually could use these on your actual windows if you don't want to put up any curtains, because I have long windows, and I thought about actually putting this on my window without having to use curtains, because I like it is weird to explain, like, the far as the decoration. Excuse, my house is really dirty, but yeah, like, this is what I'm showing y'all. Like, the windows, like, here, y'all could use it for that, because it might look cute if you don't want to use no actual blinds. But yeah, look, I got damn sheets all over my own. This is when I first moved in. it's together now. Like I said, I shot this video when I first like kind of moved in my house, and now I'm getting everything situated. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. For the newcomers, my name is Robin. For those that don't know me, I am Robin. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.